Flowers.
Okay. So this is one of my, I have more storage. Okay, so this is one of my original songs. Flowers for you. Straight from the heart, sinking the moon. Roses too, 'cause any desire, someone like that does widely strewn. Flowers for you, feel my desire, calling to you, calling your name. Flowers too, they carry my name. For me, you're fire, invisible to you. You look at me, you see right through. Condition soul, you work so hard, you neglect your heart. You stay alone, flowers for you. I give you all, if you just take, darling, come back home. For into my arms, you're safe and home. This better be soon.
Night is joyful.
Oh, yes.
And there's free up.
What is the last one?
Free up. The last one.
The last one is free.
Next one is joyful.
Joyful, joyful. All right, everyone. This is another song. Joyful, joyful, rejoicing, God of glory, God of love, hearts on full lights dazzling for thee, praising thee, the Son of God, the gods of singing saints, triumphant dark on downtown. With the glory of gladness, fill me with your forgiving, 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 effortless Teach us how to love each other, filling divine joy divine.
So one.
Yes, it was. That was a prayer. Joyful, joyful. That did not sound like a prayer. Guess who we talking to? Joyful, joyful. He is the source of joy. We're actually addressing him as joyful. That in that song. Amen.
This one is one of by Bob Marley. One of by Bob. One love.
Oh, do you all know who Bob Marley is?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So we're going to sing. I just threw this in. I always love this song. It's called One Love. So let's get a little bit of Bob Marley. One love, one heart, let's get together and be alright. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will be alright. Let's get together and be alright. Let them out us all just remind. There is one question that I really love to ask. Is there a place for a sinner who has good home and just a thing? One love, one heart, let's get together and go sing it. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord. That's right. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together just like this. With one. When the time comes, there will be no one song. I can see those days. There's no hiding place from the heart of creation. One love, one heart. Let's get together and be alright. One love. You can sing one love. Dance and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright.
Yeah.
That's right. That is correct.
So the last one is the free one, right?
Yes, you want, can you stand it?
Yeah. Yeah, we can
So
sing.
this one is a little sober. I want you all to stand a little bit. This is one of my original sober songs. So you all can feel free to give yourself a little dance. Freedom, we come out to freedom. Freedom, we come out to free these days, right? Freedom, we come out to freedom. Freedom, yeah, good times are going on. This fight is going to free. You see me love and non-stop.
fireman to cool me down. And every time we play in the mass, it's freedom. Freedom. Beat come out to freedom. Don't say freedom. Freedom. Beat come out to freedom. It's freedom. Beat come out to freedom. Freedom. Hey, good times on the going on. Free, free, free. Free, free, Carnival is free up, party people mash up, everybody wave and jump up, free this place. The stage on lockdown, taking over downtown, through the streets and right from in this place. And every place for freedom, we come out to freedom, freedom, we come out to free these days, right? Freedom, that's right. We come out to freedom, freedom, yeah, good times and we going on non-stop. Free, 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 this is your time. I hope you all had a little mental break from the type of very hard work you all have been doing, so that now you feel refreshed to continue your programming and your coding, which is a challenge to me, and I'm sure you know. But this is a new generation; they have to learn it. Yes, this is a new generation. So you'll continue with your stuff. And thank you all for having me. Yes, that is the Facebook profile picture. Yeah, the Facebook fan profile. So, ladies and gentlemen, big gentlemen, little gentlemen, and everyone, thank you all very much. It was a pleasure, being here with you all. And I'm hoping that you all lead the way with this computer technology, because I am all thumbs at it. I am all thumbs at it. I am not too good with the computer thing. What I do is sing. So I'm not too good with, but they have to carry on the world. Yes.
All right, guys.
Yes, these are the people who are going to carry on this
Cassie.
country and this planet. Exactly. Of course. And AI. Yes, that's right.
So I'm gonna take the phone off. All right, guys. It's set along.
Exactly.
All right, everybody, turn on your computers. All right, so you all had an opportunity, right? You all get a break, right? You should be relaxed and refreshed, right?
That's right.
We know programming can be a challenge, right? We know there's a lot of typing. Your fingers supposed to have some energy out to do some more coding, right? Huh? You don't think any more coding? Right? You all doing enough coding already? So that was it. After the website development, you're learning all this interesting stuff about AI, and you all don't even want to try and type code. You all hear that? Right? He has built it for all the classes that you have had, right? And the codes are getting shorter. Okay, so now you all, right, have the luxury of writing less code. You don't have the Yeah, I'll give it to you. It's 10:45. You know, we start like 10:15. So that's, yeah, 50 minutes. Exactly. All right, so guys, again, settle down, right? So you all remember exactly where we left off last session, right? You all said you didn't want to have to write any code yesterday, right? You all get a refresher today, right? So you all should have some energy to do a little typing, okay? Right, guys? A two-line can't do all that stuff that you all saw, right? With the technology that we demonstrated last session, right? So you all have to get a little serious, right? You all were introduced to the biggest and brightest ideas in today's times, right? As of Monday, all right? We saw the implications of it, right? You all have the foundation in programming before, so that you all could at least follow what you're seeing on the screen and watch it work magic for yourself, right? It's something which is all magical when you get it right and you see what happens on the screen, right? All right, so before we resume, right, guys, remember you all have to settle down. Okay? All right, Sebastian. All right, so remember, we started with this concept of artificial intelligence and robotics, right? We said right? We said right, so you were asking who knows what is intelligence, right? Right? And we talk about how are human beings intelligent, right? We talk about our senses, right? We talk about the brain, right? Right? How does the brain work, right? We have the power to make a virtual replica of the brain on the computer, right? And we said it would be an infant, hence we have to train it, right? Just like a baby, right? And we talked about training this neural network to be able to recognize a cat. We take a picture of a cat that we have at home and then we feed it to the network, and the network was able to identify the cat, right? We try to trick the network and feed it a dog, and what did it say? No, it's not a cat, right? It's a dog, right? And we talked about what would have happened if we were supposed to train an AI to know all the animals in the animal kingdom, right? How powerful would that AI be, right? We went on Google. You all remember we went on Google, right? And we did some web translation. Who remember that? Right? At the click of a button, right? You guys, we could translate an entire page, right? Let's go and get it at Google, right? So everybody should still have these tools installed on the computer, right? So if we search the web, all right, let's search the World Wide Web again, right? We'll get a source on it, right? And we're saying that with the right tools installed on your computer, right? It's already able to identify all those words on the screen, right? So if we take just a little sample of it, right, up to here, right, the button pops up, and we could translate that to Hindi or any other language. We could see this is the language in English, and we could choose to translate it to any other language, right, guys? So you all have that log. Sorry? Yes, all computers, right? The children learned yesterday. How to set up their computer to do that, right? We also talked about other services provided by Google, right? We went to the cloud, right? And we said, once you take a picture, that picture is automatically uploaded to the cloud, all right? And then artificial intelligence takes a look at that picture and is able to identify everyone who is there in that picture. You all remember that? Yeah? So what did we say? We say if you go on Google and you search for something like beach, right? All the pictures of the beach is gonna come up, right? If you search for dog, anyone tried it? Anyone tried to go in the pictures and search for dog and any picture with a dog would have come up? Sure, you have it installed, right? You have a Samsung phone, right? The Samsung you have? All right, so just by going in this, just by clicking on the thing, right? Just by clicking on it, all of a sudden, you would get access to see everyone who the artificial intelligence is picking up that these people exist in your pictures, right? And I did a little thing before where I typed the beach and all the pictures of the beach came up, right? So let's try that again. I'm gonna type the beach. Now you guys could search by location too, right? You all could search like home, Port of Spain, right? And all the pictures of the beach is gonna come up. You all following me? Right? So for instance, these are pictures that I showed you all before, right? When I went and I searched the beach, right? Look, it says Marcus Beach, right? So all these pictures would have come up, guys. You remember that? Yeah? Oh, I'm gonna search dog, right? In my pictures, and we'll see if it finds dogs. Look at that. Just like that, guys. And it would have found dogs. As a matter of fact, it's even finding a dog in a picture of a group chat that I have on I'm gonna show you guys a picture of that. Look at it. So when I search dog, look at that. All the pictures of dogs. This is me playing with a little puppy in the garage. Right? That is my husky. I gave it away. And you all could see that there's right? So this dog didn't belong to me. Right? But this husky belonged to me. I gave him away, right? His name was Cody. Right? And this is a black shepherd, right? Oh gosh, that dog is very much. All right, so you all can see, look at this. We have a group chat, and the name of the group is Cricket. The name of it is Dog Slam. And it's even picking up the dog, the letter dog in that picture. You guys see what's going on? You all see what's going on? This is me in the garage playing with the garage dog. And you see how intelligent this thing is, right? And remember, as I was explaining to you guys, if I just supposed to click search here, guys, what would happen? Right? All the people in my thing would come up, all the faces. So remember, we talk about it being a very serious thing, right, guys? Yeah? So if you take a picture, it automatically goes up there, right? And Google knows where you are, right? All the people who you taking pictures of, all the people who are in pictures with you, right? So we say if you go to Amsterdam tomorrow, jump on a plane and you go to Amsterdam, and you meet someone there, a stranger to you, and that stranger takes a picture of you with themselves, right? And that is uploaded to their cloud. All of a sudden, Google then knows that you just took a picture in Amsterdam and knows you are in Amsterdam, even before you share it with your family, right? On the street, right? And ask them to take a picture or something, right? It works just like that, right? We talk about the power of AI, right? Yesterday, I took some pictures of you, Sebastian, you remember? Right? And what was happened? It was able to identify your eyes and your ears and your nose, right? And your skeleton. While you walk in, what the skeleton is doing, right? We did a video of Mike, right? And we were able to show this on the screen. All right? So let's see if I can pull that up again for you guys. Yeah.
That's very, very scary what you're saying.
Okay, you heading up?
Yeah, no, I'm going out. I didn't tell them. What you're saying is extremely scary.
Okay, all right.
We're going to be able to, have an account of everyone on this planet who has a phone.
Yes.
It's 1984.
That's really crazy. Sebastian? All right, so you're heading out? You're heading up the road? Okay, I will talk with you.
All right, so thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Yes, and you're very, very sure we are looking for participation.
All right.
So you all have a great day.
Bye-bye.
And I'm turning away my phone from now.
Okay.
So
Right, so, yep. You see, when she go on there, is she and Shreya playing and things? It don't matter where you put them, it makes no sense, right? So you continue as we have it here, right? So guys, if you all recall, right? So I took some pictures of Sebastian. I'm gonna pull it up on the screen. I'm just gonna put it across here, right? So you all seeing Sebastian here, right? These are pictures I took of Sebastian, right? You all remember, guys? Yeah? And what I did from there, I just copied these pictures of Sebastian, right? And I pass it into, right, for artificial intelligence to take a look at it. Right? So you all remember exactly how we did that yesterday? Right? I'm gonna pull that up again, right? And let's see if you all recall, right? What we did yesterday. All right? The last thing that we did in the class is allow everyone to stand in front of the computer, right? Right, so I'm just gonna pull it up here now. So we're gonna try, right? For those who, I believe everyone saw this yesterday. I believe so. Right? Camera one is actually active at the moment. So gonna, yeah? All right, so guys, you all will recall that I could do it live. I have two cameras attached on my system, right? Right, I'm just gonna move this across to this side so that you guys can see it. Right? So this one was me, and this is in real time. This is what I'm doing now, right? I'm just gonna hold up my hand, and you all could see when it updates that my hand is right here. You all see it? Yeah? And you all can see this kind of X on my hand. You all see the X that passes straight through my hand right here? You all see the X? It's a dot, right? Right? Yesterday I did it on this camera, right? So everybody in front, and it does multiple people at the same time, in real time. So as you walk, right? The camera is identifying you as a human being. It knows where your eyes, your nose, and your mouth and everything is, where all your limbs are, the feet, right? Just like you're walking on. And the desk, your clothes, all the other obstructions in the room does not trick it. It is able to identify you. You all see what's going on, right? Right. So this is very important, guys. Need you all to right, to appreciate what is happening, right? We did a video of Mike yesterday. Who remember that video of Mike? Right. So I'm gonna pull that up again, guys. I'm gonna further show you guys the power of artificial intelligence, right? So that was Mike there yesterday. You can see when he is walking, right? This is what is going on, right? It is picking up his every motion. It is identifying every part of his body as he moves, and it, right? It's tracking all that. All right? So it knows where your right hand is. It knows where your left foot is. Right? Everything has a different color. Let's pay attention to the lights here. Right? Everything has a different color. See it? Everything has a different color. So it knows one thing different from the other, right? We did some stuff with Sebastian as well, right? So let's see if I can pull that up with Sebastian here. Right, so this should be the one with Sebastian. Right, we're gonna pull it across here quickly. Those are the pictures of Sebastian, right? Look at it. That's Sebastian there, right, guys? You all see it? Yeah? All right, so remember we said it doesn't stop there. The rabbit hole goes much deeper than that. Much deeper than that, right? So how much deeper? Let's see if I can show you guys how much deeper does this rabbit hole goes and how powerful AI is, right? Let's see. All right, so I'm going to show you guys something very, 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 very scary. All right, it's not a scary picture. It's just to really know that the computer could do that, right? It's really scary. All right, watch this. I'm going to be showing to you guys now, right? All right, guys. So I want you all to check this out, right? To do try-frame.m. Right. So this is the actual code that you're all gonna see on the screen, right? And then we're gonna use this code on Sebastian's pictures, right? And we're gonna turn Sebastian into 3D, right? In 3D. That's 2D that we're looking at now. And we're gonna turn you into 3D. Right? So that's what I was saying, guys, that when you really look at the facts of it, it can be very, very scary, right? So this is the code here, guys. You all seeing it? Right? So basically, if I click run here, right, it's gonna try the frames, because you know we have 4 frames of Sebastian, right? Right? Let's see what's good. Right? Unrecognized variable for me, right? So I have to get the frames first. 1 second.
Custody was, I know that I saw her mouth.
All right. So, guys, you're gonna see, right? I display cricket, right?
What?
I display cricket, right? So here I want to show you all the power of artificial intelligence in sport. Right? What I just did, I have some pictures. I have a video of myself. I was playing some cricket, right? And what I did is pass it on to the AI, right? And the AI then track all the parts of my body. Hey, guys, you all seen what's going on here? Right? So what's going on? It's taking a look at all those, right? And it's identifying the frames and everything, right? Okay, make sure it has the data. And when it has the data now, right? The next step, if I can try a frame, right, this one should be it. Let's see. Done.
No, Sebastian.
Unfortunately, I'm not really seeing this one. Let's see. Like this one. Guys, you're not paying attention. Hey. Alright, I wasn't exactly seeing that screen very well.
That was my original. Then I moved and I just started coming here.
What's going on, guys?
So why did she cross the road? Why did she cross the road? That was something else. Oh, that was very wonderful. It was not. The woman is right. Another oh. Is the most intelligent. Is the most intelligent.
What's going on with you guys? French.
And French.
Hello. What's it? Right in front of the computer. This is a good point, so always not good. Alright, so check this out, guys. Alright, that's me practicing in cricket, right? You all seeing it? Right. Watch this now. So you all seen everything there, right? Now we all know that cricket also you can watch cricket on TV, right? You all know that, right? And you all know that a lot of great cricketers passed away. You all know that, right?
Yeah.
But we have footage of them playing cricket.
Real?
Yes, we do. We have videos of them playing cricket on TV, right? So suppose I tell you all that if we have a video like this of someone like Brian Lara playing cricket, or anybody playing football, any sport you all could think about, right? Once we have them playing, guess what we could do? We could now make a virtual replica of that person. Whoever play FIFA.
Me. Best name in you.
And the virtual characters look just like the real people.
Yeah.
And the virtual characters move and kick the ball, and the whole vibe is just like the real person.
Okay.
FIFA. Right? So I'm showing you all. I'm showing you all how that works, right? So what happens is that they go to a lab and they connect all these sensors onto them, right? I realize the MATLAB not coming up. They connect all these sensors onto these people, right? And when they connect these sensors onto them, guys, I realize it not moving so well. That's okay. I have everything on that system here, even though just one here, right? When they connect these sensors onto them, right? What happens is that all the movements is then programmed into the computer. If all the movements is programmed into the computer, then it becomes very easy to design a virtual character that looks just like that person and move exactly like that person. Whenever I see a guy unless he does this kind of passing thing like he does, right? Hello, that's it. And you all get it. Right. So look at it, guys. Look at it. If you have pictures and videos online, I'm explaining to you the consequence of that. Having pictures and videos online, because now somebody can make a virtual replica of here. Yeah. It's a virtual reality, you know. Right? Right? It's a virtual reality where you could put on this thing and you in a virtual world, and you could go in France, and you could go in Cuba, and run in the chocolate world.
So you're saying that
You could go.
So astronauts can't be people in it. They could actually be like real.
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying if you have videos of yourself online, on Facebook, it's publicly accessible to anybody. What is what? Huh? Somebody you in the real world, there's a virtual you somewhere in a game, in some kind of computer, just like you. And somebody will say, hey, I went to France in this virtual thing, and you know what, I bought something? I bought some Sebastian. Oh, Sebastian, you never went there. You take a video of me and make a virtual replica, right? Look at it. Everybody who does play sports, right? You might be good at football or netball, right? I'm sure you can here, right? That's one thing. You don't want to see the bunch just now, right? That's one thing. I showed you on cricket. Cricket is just one thing, right? There's many more things. All following? Netball, basketball. Could you imagine how good you are, right? And you're up. You take a video of you, you happy. And it puts on the AI. And AI figure out and measure everything that makes you special. And they say, oh, that's okay for you, right? You do it so good. That's how this guy, Steph Curry, could do all the 3-pointers so good. They figure it out. Why? Because they have videos of me. And they put it on the application and they spot out everything. And then when they watch, they say, oh, that's how we could so. So let's train the children now. Right? They do just as how we do. And the children come and be better than. Right? That is the power, guys, that I'm teaching you about. So there's a consequence, right? Guys, there's a consequence to putting this form of media of yourself online. Right? Watch this. You could have a video of yourself, James, talking, right? Yeah. You could have a video of yourself talking online. And guess what? Guess what? Somebody want to talk this here, people want to use your face. You could use the president's face and they know how to do it. What? The president of America? You want to go on Facebook and talk to this? And use the president's face? Everybody wants to see the president talking and the president's voice talking. But it's really you. Right? Guys, you all have to understand these consequences that I'm trying to bring to your attention. Okay? It's not easy, but you all gonna have to appreciate these things because you all are the future. So you can't appreciate what you can't understand. You must be smart enough to understand it, right? And we're making sure that you guys smart enough to understand everything that we do. Who agree? So what is the consequence of putting up a video of yourself online?
You get bullied.
No. No.
We get money from likes and subscribes.
From what?
We get money from likes and subscribes.
From what?
From likes and subscribes. Subscribe, boy, subscribe.
No. The consequence I'm talking about, guys. What's the consequence? Hey guys, what's the consequence? That's what I need to know, guys. What's the consequence? I need to know is the consequence, guys. You all doing? Just now. Alright, so after for what's the time? All right, our computer behaving a little slow today. That's okay. All right, guys, so take a look at it. I'm gonna show you guys something. I remember I told you all that's gonna be scary. Let me show you all what's gonna be scary. Check this out, right? Check this out. Check this out. Who is that? That is me, right? Right, that is me on this side. I'm gonna show you all what that is, right? That is me doing that. All right, you all seeing? Yes, now. Right, that is me doing that, guys. You all see that? That's me, right? You can see what's going on. That's me. Look at it. Look at what happened. It was able to identify all my limbs and know what I'm doing, right? You're seeing that? I'm going to zoom into it. Which one is this one? Right, yeah, that's the plus button, right? So take a look at it. Look at that. Right? Independent of the cars that is on the road in the background. This is me, right? You can see it on that side. Hello. Right? And then look at what is scary now. Check this out. Look at this.
That's scary.
This, you all see what I'm talking about. I said, look at it. This is the 2D version of myself. 2D, and this one is a 3D. The one beside it is a 3D. So you can see the 2D is exactly like that, right? Look at it. Exactly. You see this thing here? That is what has been extracted as 2D. And then the other one is 3D of it now, guys. Check it out. This one is 3D. And look at what is scary. Without the camera, without there being, how much camera? Only one camera recording, right? Without there being 18 cameras positioned all the way around me, the AI could generate a 3D version of myself. Look at that. 3D. Look at that. That's me with the cricket back there.
It looks like a perfect stick man.
You see it? And we could do this for any frame we want. Right? So at this point is frame number 28. Right? So I'm going to change that frame to frame number 100. Let's see what frame number 100 looks like. Ready? It's going to update. I just switched it. Let's see what happens. Right? I'm doing it for frame number 100. Alright, so it's the same frame number 28, right? We're changing that value to 100, right? Let's see what happens. It's still busy. Wait on it, guys. It's still busy. Wait on it. Still busy. Aha, look at it. Frame number 100 now. Right? Frame number 100. Take a look at it. Right?
It looks like a pose.
Right, look at this. This is the 2D version, right? And this is the same thing, right? But now this one is in 3D, guys. Check it out. Look at that. In 3D. You all seeing it? This is what we call motion capture. Alright? So I want to show you guys something, right? Of how they make, whoever watched the Lord of the Rings. What, they watch the Lord of the Rings?
What?
Nobody watch it? Lord of the Rings? Alright, I'm going to show you all something on this side, right? And show you all something, right, that's going to blow your mind, right? Let's go to YouTube quickly. Alright? Now, you see how I do that 3D of myself? Right? I was going to do a 3D of Sebastian, right? I could do a 3D of Michael. Anybody want a 3D? Anybody want a 3D of themselves?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Anybody want a 3D of themselves?
Yeah.
Check this out, guys. Making Lord of the Rings. Right? Right? And you all could see, right? How they do the motion capture. Right? Just now. I'll show it to you guys. Right? Motion capture Lord of the Rings, right? Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Check this out. Check it out. Oh, they use a real human being. You see that thing, guys? This whole thing that you see here, this thing that I'm talking, is a real person like you. And all this is computer generated imaging. Because they record a real person doing it, right? And then they could make changes to the person's face, right?
It was really the first CG character we were hoping to put on screen that had to believably act in a human fashion with other actors.
They're able to create symbols. Right?
So fucking you understand? Show me the way to get out of here, and I'll be on my way. Shut up. Say, I wasn't talking to you.
Right?
One of the very first breakthroughs for Gollum was casting Andy Serkis to play the voice of Gollum. Andy's physical presence on set became an important part of how Gollum was developed. And so what we wanted to do was to take all that physicality and find a way to capture that and bring it to the digital character of Gollum. Hence
This is
the
called
idea of
motion capture. Say it with me. Motion capture. And it's big in the film industry. And you all and you all getting to see firsthand how it is done, right? And possibly be able to code it for yourself. Right, guys? Say it with me. Motion capture. So hear what I'm saying now. You might have a video of yourself online. You don't intend for someone to make a virtual version of you, a virtual replica of you, or convert you into this ugly looking single character, right?
He's cute.
Alright, it's cute. Right? But it's the same thing. As a consequence of that, someone with the knowledge could take that video of you and make a virtual replica of you. Look at that. Huh? You all see that, guys? Motion capture. You all saw the dragon? You all see the dragon? You all see the dragon in the movie?
Yeah.
Alright, how do you think the dragon moves? No, it's a real person. It's a real person that is moving, and that motion is translated from the real person, right, into the computer. And that is how the dragon moves. Because the dragon is a virtual character. It's not real. Right? So that is how we rig ourselves to a CG character. So that when I move like this, the virtual character will do the same thing as me. I can do so. So you're learning the foundation of it. The first thing the camera must do is what? Identify me to be a human being. Then track all your body parts. Eh? So when I do this, any camera know what man is? Right? So when I do this, the virtual character do the same thing. Right? Now I dance and my virtual character is dancing. You're getting the idea? You're seeing the power of this. Right? It's important that you guys understand this. Let's see if they have the one with the dragon, right?
So cute. Where would you be without me? Well, I saved us. It wasn't me. It was of me. 10 years later, when we had to bring Gollum back for The Hobbit, we had in the meantime experience working with lots of other characters. So we were able to develop now
Look at
muscle
this. Look at what is up. You see all that sensors and so on that is on the man? Guys, you all not see that? Just stop, we're gonna make it large. Take a look at it.
There's proper skeletal systems, proper facial expressions, a lot of research into the look of how light is transported in the eyes, the skin, and the hair. To really get that detailed working muscle systems, proper skeletal systems, proper facial
You all see
We
that?
had to bring
Look
Gollum
at it.
back
The key up
for
on the
The
radio.
Hobbit.
Take a look at
We
it.
had in the meantime
Just like when I showed
experience
you
working
first,
with
right?
lots of other characters. So we
Hold
were
on.
able to
Look, you see, you all see the rig. You see the bodysuit? You all see the bodysuit? That bodysuit has the sensors. So that now when its body moves, the sensor sends that input into the computer. Right? And that input goes straight to the CG character. And the CG character do the same thing. So anything you do in the real world is replicated. To the virtual world. Yeah? Right? Sensors is moving really quickly, right?
to develop now
Let's see what else is
proper
involved
muscle
in
systems,
the
proper skeletal systems, proper facial expressions, a lot of research into the look of how light is transported in the eyes and the skin and the hair. To really get that detail working properly, we realized that what we really had to do was study the way muscles really work in the human body, how they attach to all the joints, how bundles of muscle fibers are constantly firing off in opposition to each other and in support of each other when a person is moving, and therefore we wanted to see that when a character was moving. And so we developed a new system that we call tissue, which allows us to really simulate all of the muscles and movement that's happening from the skeleton outward to the skin. And with a character like Gollum,
The goblin? The goblin? Alright, so motion capture. What's the name of the little monster thing? Golly? Alright. Let's see what we can find. Alright, yeah, look at it. It's Gobby. Dobby is his name. Look at that, guys. You can see how Dobby was made. Check it out. Look, it was put on the hand there, and that motion is going to be transferred to Dobby. You see it? Look at that. As he goes through Dobby here and Dobby. Okay? Yeah, and then this is how it looks afterwards in the movie. As you see in the movie itself. See it? So the movements, all the movements that happen is then translated into the movie scene. Right? Right, guys? You all see that? Yeah, well, or is the same actor who do the is the same one who do the one who was looking at the Eagles? Is the same actor doing this one too?
doesn't matter where you're going.
Oh, look at that. Look, this is that virtual of that guy. See, he's doing the real person. And it just said he's in the tries. Right. Yeah, see it? It's a real person, it's the monkey. You see that? All them. Nice up with the suit, the rig, the other rig on it. And all this is what is happening in the real world. And then you can see how this scene is
Capture it's got an incredible future, and
right?
it is
So
marriage
you all
but it's also
are
this
learning,
incredible artistry.
right? The necessary. You see it, guys? Look at that. That's the hall. That's the hall. Right? You see the hall is made like sweet down here, right? Yeah, it's sweet down here. You see it? Look at all the sensors on his face. See the sensors on his face? The doctor move.
He wanted to get inside.
Doctor move, right?
He really wanted to.
So this is exactly what is
A
required
voice artist who came
in order to make all the results.
Get that helmet has a sort of Madonna type thing. She's actually a camera which comes to you. This camera's really weird because it's right next to you, so you've got LED lights, so you're
Doctor move now, right?
really weird. And you kind of have to
The hour is rig. This is his rig, right?
imagine yourself as this creature.
Look at the travel. Look at the travel. You all see the travel?
There will be times, there will be moments from that performance that you give that
He
can be
is his motion is what is called the travel. Yeah, right, you all see what's happening? This is all your monkeys and everything, right?
The circus is unlike any other actor. He can inhabit characters that don't speak in both in ways that you don't really see often.
he's a really good actor, eh, guys?
is you see it on
He's a
screen,
really good actor.
you see the apes, but the
He
apes
plays
which are
he's
fused with some of
This guy's a
it.
phenomenal actor.
Find himself weighed down by it. And I think Andy brings a spirit and an understanding and a simplicity. He's able to push the technology to one side and think about it in terms of just a real live action performance.
We're trying to break through in terms of technology that will, or methodology rather, that will help us break through into finding how we're going to have to humanize.
Amp it up a little bit just to get into the facial structure. It's so much
Well, I know. But it's not- You're putting him on the seat. Hey, look at that. Gabi.
Use that technology yet for
Look at that, Teddy.
character
Teddy, you ever see that movie?
switch into height and touch me with my trousers down.
The interest. Listen, we're going
And the technology, you create technology to make those things happen, but it's the actor that provides the soul. You use the word soul, and the technology ain't going to provide the soul. That's where the performance captures the soul of the actor. That's what it's going to be.
Right, that's it.
Another one. Sonic, the Hedgehog. Yeah, I want to see how he looks. I want this to really big that fast.
What I do is I try to get in a room with about 150 hedgehogs. I get in the middle, and the backs of hedgehogs are spiked. I step on as many hedgehogs as I can to really get myself emotionally in a place of excitement, and then I go into the room for it. I just hug, I lay around with hedgehogs. It's a big part of my process. It costs roughly $1 million per day.
Sebastian, they want to treat you. Anyone else want to treat you?
And so that's kind of like how I get into the character and stuff like that.
I
got the call to do this Sonic was a game. I think I had played it once or twice, and after I got the call,
Yeah, the villain.
my grandson
What's that crazy thing?
humiliated constantly.
Right?
These games have turned
So you want to be a motion capture engineer and work for Walt Disney and
Not Disney. Disney underrated. Disney underrated.
right? Who want to work for Netflix?
actually a lot like Robotics. Play. The story we're telling
Who want to work for HBO and Hollywood?
iconic.
How about Bollywood? How about Bollywood?
The real world here on Earth with us. There's elements of superhero. There's a really nice element of
Yeah.
this
So you all are learning the foundation, you all being inspired, you all seeing the biggest and the brightest ideas in computing.
Sonic, you get the super speed.
And what we could do,
Totally defenseless.
right guys? You all seeing that firsthand, right?
Don't worry. I know
Yeah.
exactly. I was so excited to be a part of the property at all. Like I played Sonic as a kid. I'm a huge video game enthusiast, so I was like, of course. And the idea was just to do this thing. And they would sell it to a studio or whatever, and that was where it was going to end. But I was so excited just to do that, and I guess it went well enough where Tom Hanks wasn't available, and I got to play Sonic. It was very, very exciting. I remember getting a phone call from Jeff. We want you to move me down. I did one of these. I went out by myself up to that. Wonderful thing.
These characters are
Insane. It's
not a real character. Okay? Look at you, look at you. Look at Jim Carrey. Jim Carrey is not playing. That's Jim Carrey.
smart head.
What next?
He's the smartest one in the room.
Alright?
There's a
So let's just see
smart,
it, right? Alright, so
spiritually dumb.
call us spade, guys. Now, the computers are intelligent. No computers are intelligent. Hey, our ears. What does the computer have which is similar to what our ears do? Guys, what does the computer have that is similar to what our ears do? Microphone. Microphone again. Right? What does the computer have that is similar to our eyes?
See it.
Camera. Right? Guys, you are beginning to appreciate take from our ears and our eyes and all this, right? And we are intelligent because of our brain. Look, now the computers are intelligent. What do you think comes next? Artificial intelligence, right? No, it's not the brain of the computer. It's a software replica of the brain, right? That goes on the computer, so that the computer then have intelligence to rival that of a human being, right? So now we have intelligent computers. What comes next? Robots, right? Robots, all right? Right, but before the robots came, the robots needed that intelligence framework. The robots needed that intelligence framework so that they could do their thing. They could walk by themselves, right? They could come and they would see an object here and they would know, hey, I just step over this object, just like how you would be, right? A robot will run, and the robot will realize, hey, castle is there. So what you have to do? You have to bounce it out, right? And walk around here also, right? So now that the computers are intelligent, we're gonna use this intelligence now, right? And we're gonna make a robot. Anyone can tell me what a robot is? What is a robot? Yeah. You want 4, all right, that's nice. Sebastian, you? Right, intelligent AI being, look at that. Right, so AI is powering, it's the brain of the robot. Check it out. What is a robot? Smart technology. A smart technology. James. What is a robot? A robot. You know? Most certainly mental, yes. But right, guys, I'm gonna find a robot for you guys, right? Let's take a look at Walt Disney robot. So you see, Spider-Man. Who likes Spider-Man? Me. Suppose I tell you that all them things Spider-Man flying and shooting from and flying on the web and all that. It's not Spider-Man doing that, it's a robot.
What? I know that.
It's a robot doing that, it's not Spider-Man.
What?
Yes, it's a robot. Let's take a look at it, right? Let's take a look at it, right? Walt Disney's Spider-Man. Alright, let's see guys. Look at it. This is the Walt Disney Spider-Man robot, stuntman robot. Take a look at it, guys. Spider-Man robot. Huh? No, I'm not sure they do the exact same. I'm not sure they do the exact same. But look at one now. Right? Your turn, right? Let's see this stuntman robot here. This one here, right? Take a look at it.
Stunts we love to watch in movies like Spider-Man Homecoming usually rely on the mix of stunt performers, green screen, and computer-generated models. Stunts like these, where Spider-Man flies through the air, can be dangerous, especially if they're being performed live, over and over and over again. But at the new Avengers campus at Disneyland Resorts, these stunts are being done every day by this guy, robotic acrobat. It's part of the Centronics technology system developed by a team of roboticists and engineers. Wired spoke with Imagineers Tony Dohey and Morgan Pope to discover what it took to design, launch, and catch the Centronic acrobat.
Robots require, right?
While this
That
flying
big.
Spider-Man may look
Look
human,
at
it's
look
actually
just like
a
in the
complex
person.
robotic system
That's
covered
the
by a
robot,
3D
that's
printed
the
shell.
Ultimately, the two driving design things for the Centronic robot were this idea of
Artificial
robustness
intelligence is
and grace. It also had to communicate
make the
with
robot move
fluidity
like
in
that.
performance. It had to be
Like a
believable,
real
alive.
person.
Yeah, it had to look like Spider-Man. So Tony and I
Make the robot
were
behave
working
so.
on kind
The
of parallel
robot must be
paths.
intelligent.
You know, he had this idea for
Taking
throwing a
instructions
robot across the
exactly
room.
as
And
though
meanwhile, over on the research side, I was working on how do you control something
Every
like
person
free
they tell them what to do.
To tackle the challenge of creating a totally controllable robotic system that mimics the uncontrollability of flight, they started their design with this, the brick.
The idea here was that we could spin it through the air, and it had these weights inside that could move.
A device?
Like a character, but it had all the intelligence in it. It had sensors,
We're talking about intelligence.
knew how high it was from the ground.
Their next prototype didn't look much like a character either.
So this right over here is our prototype.
This actually has that bend. That's a lot more. This is how a human ships inertia, right? Kind of do tuck and do a flip and lay out.
And so from that we moved really
All
quickly.
right.
Like maybe the next day we
Let's see
started
what is happening.
Stickman. It's actually a Z-shaped series of linkages.
It's like the engineering version of Lincoln Logs or Legos. And you get this kind of double pendulum, which is like a classically chaotic
Wow,
system,
look at that.
which means it's kind of a bear to control.
Look at
But it
that.
also means you can do really fun stuff. If you squint at it, it starts to look like a human. This is
Alright,
the
so
first time we
remember,
can get asymmetric motion.
I asked
This
you
guy
who
can
won
move
the
this
cheating.
arm and not this arm and do all sorts of like twists and stuff.
Then they moved past the
Who won the
elevators.
cheating?
And finally, their
Alright, so
series
the
of
last two
full-size
sections of class
Centronic
we're going to be
robots.
making a 3D version of you, alright? Yes, sorry, hold on. Cassidy, you're not behaving yourself this wrong, sir. For that chair to fall also? Alright. So, Sebastian, we have you already, right? Right, if we have you already. Right. Want to do it again? Sebastian said you don't want to do it again. We're going on with all here. Alright, so everybody, want to take out a chair? Strike a pose. Remember 3D on the bit. Right, everybody want to strike a pose and then get the 3D. Right. Strike a pose, somebody. Who coming? You have to come here. I don't come here and strike a pose. Sebastian, I think you have to just right, come on, strike a pose right here. Everybody have to come right here and strike a pose. Whatever 3D you want, and strike that pose, right? Then everybody have what's up? What was that? What's that? Come on, I don't think it's that. Alright, everybody, let's go. This is the last one. Strike that pose, strike that pose. Come on this side. Come on this side. Right? Strike that pose now. Jump. What pose? Any pose? What pose? Something.
Do your signature pose. Do your pose.
Alright, so yeah, no more. Let's take a picture. Right. Very well. Next pose. Next pose. Who come with that pose? Come on, James. So shy. Come with that pose. And the pose it. And the pose. Alright. Chair. One pose. One pose. It's picture time. We're gonna convert. All right, we're gonna go brave here.
So is it supposed to go now? Or is it supposed to be done?
What?
I don't think about I don't care.
You ready for your chili?
12:52, that made it not 11.
12:52.
Yeah, that's it, not 11.
It's 11:52.
No, it's 7.
Please add a transfer the pictures across to the computer. So let me catch myself really fast. Right, so I have a posted everybody, right? Everybody's gonna get the 3D. Alright, so I pull it up on the computer here now.
About 3D emission. Right, I'm gonna cover it.
I thought you were Tom Holland.
But it's all different.
All of this appointed Spider-Man is a robot? No, plenty of the scenes is the real Spider-Man, but the dangerous ones is the robot. The flying in like marshmallows fly on the stage, like the robot doing that. Alright? Because
I think I had your own number. That was 32026. I didn't call it. I didn't call it. I didn't call it. I didn't text it. I thought I was going to take it. I didn't. So, I'm going to get one of us. We're second. Most weird. You understand? But it's okay. Those actually did help.
alright guys, so I'm downloading your pictures. Right, I seen Cassidy, first one. Sebastian, where's your scene?
What?
Where's your scene?
I see.
Scene, where's your scene?
Oh, my scene. I had to watch. The scene is how to play horror. What?
Sebastian, it's always a scene.
How I sing. This is the scene.
Sebastian, always a scene.
I have to take a scene in my head because I didn't live in
Everybody gonna get the 3D, right? Alright, so I have everybody here now, right? I have everybody now. I have everybody on the computer. I have everybody there, right? Out with the old and in with the new. Alright, so I have examples, blah, 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 blah. Alright, output, where's the output? Media. Hey, Sebastian. Oh God. Sebastian.
I'm going to get 2 best dances in 1 hour. Which one is this? And is that one? see it, right? Hello. You see it?
Yes.
Just one. On my hands, side one,
All right, let's see what's going on. Right, so these guys, we're gonna see how it works. Maybe I can duplicate my screen. Okay, so we just got James there. Ha! Ah, no, James pose now. Yeah. Guys, check it out. Check it out. I'm showing you all on this screen here, right? Check it out. So this one is Cassidy, right? Check it out. You see it? That is James. Right? That's Sebastian. That's Shea. Right? Right, so you ready for the magic now? Yeah. I'm gonna do all the cheat, yeah.
No, he's got to sue. Sleepwalking.
Guys, yes.
It's 12.
Y'all want to wait for the 3D?
I waited. I just have to know.
Alright, so you see all this here? These pictures? Right?
Yeah.
Don't forget them too, right?
Yeah.
These pictures.
Yeah.
These pictures of you guys, right? Don't forget them. Alright? Don't forget these pictures, right?
Yeah.
As well.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Alright, so you can see that. Alright?
Yeah. Yes, brother. Yeah. That little tiny touch. Pretty close. On the unicorn on top. Yeah. I'm gonna keep it tapping one person. I do because I have nobody else that is close to me. Which is that it's so flexible watch. What's this one?
Guys, I'm getting the points of emotion now. And then we're gonna get it 3D, right? So I'm looking at Sebastian and Shreya and all of them. Right, so if I go on this side and I close it, it's supposed to be, look at it. Fresh. Yeah. So these are the key points, right? Alright, these should be the key points here, guys. That Y XML. You see it? Very good. Alright. So now, all these key points here, all let's say is what I'm going to take, and I'm going to go to the math show in Explorer. Here's the Explorer. Right, so I get the Explorer on this side. Output MPI.
Right now, I'm going to get for everybody $500,000.
You know this year? This is one something else. You know this year as well, I do need 3 for you. You don't know internet? Huh? All right, so guys, all right, you all going to self a break, right? So tomorrow, you all will get the 3D, okay? All right, go ahead, get your snacks and your questions. All right, no, I can't let them practice it. These pictures is not that you choose. No. They can't do that. And you choose this. When I get them a little bit of something. Yeah, but then since yesterday they're not coding. Hi, how are you going? What's happening?
Very good.
Yeah, keep up with your hard work.
Hey, good afternoon. Hi, Chris. Wonderful. Yes.
Sebastian. You alright today? Checking on it yesterday. It was a little upset with it yesterday. Checking on it to make sure.
Yes, you are. It's all.
It was upset with you yesterday. You mustn't meet up with your work, okay? You mustn't fight for that. Alright? Alright?
Yeah.
See you tomorrow, alright? Alright. Since I already see you, but you know, what did we put this one?
No.
Whatever. Thank you, man.
Anybody else in your group?
I think you're out there. Yeah.
This is wonderful, right? Put a smile on your face. Thanks, baby. Thanks so much. Right, let's say this will be as I do. Para cámara ready?
Yeah.
All right. Bye bye.
Yeah, I think that's a fight out on their money. I would take that and it's anybody. Anybody movements. You think of it. You think about it.
Yeah.